Hi everyone, it's AuntDi here. Sorry it's so dark. Let me turn this light a bit. Hi everyone, AuntDi here. So I decided I'm in my kitchen, as you can sort of tell. I needed a bit more space because I brought out 3 of the Cricut machines. We have the Cricut Joy, the Cricut Maker, and the Cricut Venture. I'm going to have them do the exact same thing. They're going to draw the exact same image, and we're going to see how they all do. So I am going to try to get this started so that they're all started pretty much at the exact same time. Sorry you can't really see. Let's see if I can move this just a bit. There. So hopefully this will work out, but we'll see how long it takes for each machine to draw this image. So I'm just going to go boom, 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 and we're going to go. So let me make sure I have it on the right screen for the Joy, which I do. So I'm going to go start, start, and go. Actually, not yet. Now I got to load the mats. I'm going to stop the Joy because it started already. Now the Joy's already started, so it's going to continue. I've got these 2 going now, and we'll see just who does it the best. So the Venture, it started down at the bottom. Both the Maker and the Joy have started at the top of the image. Let me show you better what's going on. So here we go. There's the Maker. The Venture. Here's what the Maker 3 has so far. And here's the little Joy. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Obviously, right now, the Venture is way in the lead. And just for those that don't realize, I am running this all just on one laptop. You just need to open up Design Space for each machine you want to run. Look at the teeny tiny detail from the Joy. And there's, so far, the Maker. And once again, the Venture. So I'll just step back and we'll watch and wait. I think I already know who the winner is going to be, but we'll still wait and see.
hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
That mat that I'm using on the Venture, I have used it no less than 50 times. It has held a minimum of 50 pieces of bristleboard. Right now it is on, I had the Cricut cardstock on there. So let's get closer and see what's going on. There's the Joy working away. There's the Maker doing its darndest. And of course, here's the Venture drawing its heart out. The image that I'm drawing is in Design Space. I cannot believe how fast that Venture is compared to the other two machines. I knew the Joy wouldn't be able to keep up, but I still wanted to show it doing the same thing. I also maxed out the size for each machine. So I maxed out using the biggest mat size. In other words, 24 inches for the Venture, 11.5 inches for the Maker 3, and then the little Joy is at 4 inches. so hard to keep up with him. He goes so fast. I got tickled. So it looks like the venture is finished. And now we still have the Maker 3 and the Joy going. The venture has just turned itself off, or the vacuum off.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going.
Now I have to remember, the Joy started a couple seconds early. And look at that. The Joy wins over the Maker. Even though it started a couple seconds early, there's a big difference. The Maker 3 still has a ways to go. This one surprised me. There it is on the Joy. Did a beautiful job. Still working on the Maker. And there it is on the Venture. So now all we got to do is wait for the Maker to finish. So we have second place was the Cricut Joy. Last place was the Cricut Maker 3. And first place is the Cricut Venture.